Oh, deformed car fans and somewhat of a ChoroQ fan. So these are made by ChoroQ. I'm quite positive of it. But these are the US branded ones made by Tonka. If you're, not old, Tonka used to make, or maybe they still are in business, but I remember them for making steel construction vehicles that you'd play with in a sandbox, that kind of thing. And yeah, those were kind of cool as well, if not dangerous, because they're steel and sharp edged. Anyways, Turbo Tricksters. I've always known about this brand, but when these things were out, I was probably spending most of my money striking out with women at bars. So when was this thing made? That's the question. Is there 1989? No, actually, I was too young to be drinking at the bars. I was going to movies and just dreaming about striking out with women at bars. Okay, so let's see here. Collect all 48. Well, we know how many they have. It's a pullback motor, and you put a penny or a coin in the back. It makes it do a wheelie. And if you want to abuse it, you can put it into all sorts of things and see what happens. Okay. So this gives an indication of the other ones that are in here. Celica, Supra, MR2, 2000 GT, Golf, Beetle, Chevy van, probably a Corvette. Okay. Turbo Tricksters. So I've been wanting a ChoroQ of a 959, but they almost never come up for sale for a decent price. I bought this off eBay, so it wasn't that expensive. In the realm of ChoroQs, there are some really overpriced ChoroQs out there. So I don't care about brand, I just want a deformed toy. And this one happens to be new as well. Something in here, by the way. So let's take a look here. So it's just I don't know how you describe this color. It's green, I suppose. It's some sort of mint green. Kind of dark though compared to my eyes. My camera, I think, makes it look a lot lighter. And even though it was brand new, there's some sort of issue there. Maybe this is like a reaction with the packaging. Or anyways, still. Okay, let's start with the front here. We have some orange headlights. We have a 180 there for some reason. We have some printed on hood latches, I guess, which the 959 would have never had. Little paper sticker for the banner. And then Tonka is printed on. And then Dunlop tires there. There's no paint or anything for the grill. And then the cabin is a dark smoked plastic, I think. I think I can see some light getting in there. So we have your standard ChoroQ 5 spokes, or I guess in this case, standard Tonka 5 spokes. What's nice is that Dunlop is actually molded into the rubber, so that's cool. And ChoroQ does that as well. Interesting, some sort of residue. And then amazingly, these have not cracked. So I think the old ChoroQs, these old Tonkas, they might be using like a silicone-based rubber. Yeah, so maybe that's why it lasts so long. I do question about the new ones, the ChoroQ Zeros. It doesn't seem to be silicone. Anyways, a little inlet there, no paint. The 180 shell Tonka again, and then the just molding parting lines there. No rear tail lights colored, that is, but that would be it. And the venting, no color there. It's got the sticker. This one's a plastic kind of sticker, number 43. Turbo Tricksters, and then the wing isn't even hollow, so it's just at least it's got a big recess in there. So standard construction like ChoroQ's is a screw in the front and this tab in the back. There's the spring motor, and then this thing's brand new, so pretty sure it's gonna go. These things go really fast, by the way. Oh, I heard it snap. Yeah, if you give it room, that thing will go really far. Okay, that's it. So now I have a 959. It's not your standard color of a 959, and then naturally I wish it was silver. I'm going to guess the ChoroQ ones. Maybe they released a silver one, but again, I've been collecting these Choros now, I'm pretty sure for 2 years now, and I've never even seen a silver one come up for sale. So... Well, sadly, because I am in the US, I don't have access to my ChoroQ collection. So maybe you'll see this in the future whenever I collect another Porsche when I'm back home. But I'll probably try to get some more of these Turbo Tricksters, or penny racers as they may be known here in America, since they seem to be unvalued by most Americans, which I can actually totally understand, because this is a very unique genre of collecting. I mean, it's literally a toy. But I like them. I like them. They're just so goofy looking. So, all right, thanks. I'll see you in the next deformed car video.